we at home, and we understand well our attitude. We understand well. We did national. Then national, it was amazing because pale kuna matope na pia unaelewa tunakimbia saa 9. So kwa wale ambaye wanakuja hatuna pressure mingi kwao, tuna pressure kwa ajili wale ambaye tuko nao.
To get athletes coming from the rest of the world to come and see where Kenyan athletes come from. What do they do and how do they train around here in Kenya? And also to give an opportunity to the Kenyans to see our athletes running at home, because they normally watch either in TV or on TV or any other platforms. And I want to thank World Athletics for having understood our situation, for having appreciated what our athletes have done, and that we can also equally do the same. So we managed to convince, and we are happy that we are getting this.